Students, we have finished the topic at the high school. Students, let us study the vocabulary and language work of the topic. First, let us enrich our vocabulary. The first item is prefix. As you students, as you know, a prefix is a letter or a group of letters added to the beginning of a word to change its meaning. So prefixes are used at the beginning of a word. Then here is a word. Students, see, here is a word danger and it becomes endanger. Danger is a noun and endanger is a verb. And here en is a prefix. Here en is used at the beginning of the word danger and it becomes endanger. Here en is a prefix. It is not a negative prefix here. It is only a prefix. Prefix means a letter or a group of words which are used at the beginning of a word and change its meaning. Danger is the noun, and when en is used at the beginning of danger, it becomes a verb. Endanger is a verb. But a negative prefix. What a negative prefix? Negative prefix makes the word negative or opposite. Negative prefix टा word को विपरीत कर दो, उल्टा कर दो, opposite कर दो. एठी किंतु देखो en danger को opposite कला नहीं, केवल तार part of speech को change कर दला. किंतु एठी negative prefix always makes the word negative or opposite. देखो normal, it becomes abnormal. Here ab is a negative prefix. So why is ab a negative prefix? Because it makes the word normal opposite. The opposite word of normal is abnormal. Abnormal means not normal. So let us see. So this is the difference between prefix and negative prefix. Both are used at the beginning of the word, but a prefix all changes the part of the speech. But a negative prefix makes the word opposite. Let us see some more example. Appear. Appear. Here is a word appear. Disappear. Here dis is the prefix. Possible. Impossible. Which is the prefix? I am is the prefix. Merit. Merit. The another demerit. Demerit. Here D is the prefix. Let us see. Legible. Legible. Illegible. IL is the prefix. Understand. Misunderstand. Which is the prefix? MIS. Negative prefix. Because misunderstand means not understand. Misunderstand. Transitive. Intransitive. Which is the prefix? In. In. Not transitive, intransitive. The opposite word of transitive is intransitive. Believable, unbelievable. But believe, disbelieve. Here believable is adjective. Adjective. Adjective thile on basti, kintu verb thile dis basti. Noun thile bhi dis basti. Belief, BELIEF. Its antonym is disbelief. Reachable, unreachable. Let us try some another words. Interested, uninterested. Polite, impolite. I am. Happy, unhappy. Active, inactive. Limited, unlimited. Manage, mismanage. Motivate, demotivate. DE. Here is the prefix is D. Motivate, demotivate. Behave, misbehave. Mis is the prefix. Mortal, immortal. Bearable, unbearable. Recognize, de-recognize. Worthy, unworthy. Essential, unessential. Activate, essential, inessential. Sorry, essential, inessential. Activate, deactivate. Noble, ignoble. IG is the prefix. Noble, ignoble. Legal, illegal. So this is all about prefix. Let us see another language word. Mark the sentence. When I reached the station, the train had left. When I reached the station, the train had left. Here देखो, it is दीटा कार्य अच्छी. गोटे स्टेशन पहुँचीबा आ गोटे ट्रेन छाड़िबा. कहले which is the former action and which is the latter action? I reached the station is the latter action. The train had left. This is the former action. एटा आगे हिची, एटा पछर हिची. देखो when two actions happened one after another in the past, we use past perfect for the former action. देखो एटा होची former action. The train had left. This is the former action. So here past perfect is used for the former action. This is the latter action. So for latter action we always use simple past. Let us see. We dash for lunch after mother dash the eggs. देखो दीटा कार्य अछि. तमे लंच पाई बसिला एवं तम मां अंडा भाजिले. कोटा फास्ट हिची? Your mother fried eggs first, then you sat for lunch. So which is the former action? Mother fried eggs is the former action. And we sat for lunch is the latter action. So latter action simple past. So we sat for lunch after mother had fried the eggs. Next, the farmer dash the field before he dash seeds. कृषक आगे कौन करे? हल करे ना मंजी बुणे? को which is the farmer action? आगे हल. So इटा हम This is the former action. So we use past perfect. The farmer had plowed the field before he sowed seeds. Next, Namrata dash the letter after she write it. आगे चिट्ठी लिखा जाए ना आगे पोस्ट कर जाए आगे लिखा जाए तेणु राइटिंग टा हला फॉर्मर एक्शन पोस्टिंग टा हला लेटर एक्शन सो Namrata posted the letter after she had written it. So when two actions happened one after in the past, we use past perfect for the former action and simple past for the latter action. Let us see another the conditional sentence, another language word. If you had reached early, you would have caught the train. Mark. This is the if clause or subordinate clause. This part, this underlined part, and this part is the main clause. Mark the structure. So the if clause, the conditional clause, if plus subject plus had plus verb 3, past perfect. If part is in past perfect, and the main clause is would have plus verb third form. Subject plus would plus have plus verb third form. If you had reached early, you would have caught the train. तुम यदि शीघ्र पहुँची ताहले ट्रेन धरी पारि थांत. We use such type of conditional sentence to talk about impossible, unreal or imaginary events in the past. It's so imaginary. माने तुम्हें शीघ्र पहुँची ना कि ट्रेन भी धरी ना. अर्थ होची सेया. The real meaning, you did not reach early and you did not catch the train. This is impossible. आमे खाली गोटे अनुशोचना करतोंदी. मु यदि शीघ्र पहुँची थांती ताहले ट्रेन धरी पारि थांती. अनरियल कंडीशन रे इफ पार्टा पास्ट परफेक्ट हबो आ मेन पार्टा वुड सब्जेक्ट प्लस वुड कुड प्लस शुड प्लस हाव प्लस वर्ब थर्ड फॉर्म. दिस इज अनरियल कंडीशन अवास्तव आर किछि कहबार अर्थ नै एया हेइथिले सेया हेइथांदा ऑलरेडी घटना घटी सारिछि. सो दिस कंडीशन इज कॉल्ड अनरियल कंडीशन इन द पास्ट. अनरियल कंडीशन ने इफ पार्टा हबो पास्ट परफेक्ट आउ मेन पार्ट हवा सब्जेक्ट प्लस एठी अलगा मॉडल भी हमें व्यवहार कर परिबा वुड कुड शुड माइट प्लस हाव प्लस वर्ब थर्ड फॉर्म. लेट अस सी सम एग्जांपल. दे डिड नॉट स्टार्ट अर्ली, दे मिस्ड देयर ट्रेन. देखो इफ वी राइट एन इफ सेंटेंस फॉर इच, हम जदि गोटे इफ सेंटेंस करिबा से माने शीघ्र बाहरिले नाही एवं ट्रेन छाडिले. इफ दे हैड स्टार्टेड अर्ली, जदि से माने शीघ्र जाई थांते they would not have missed the train. तांते ट्रेन छाड़ी न थांते. I saw you, I invited you to my party. मु तुमको देखिली और निमंत्रण कली. मुझे तुमको देखी न थांती निमंत्रण करी न थांती. If I had not seen you, I would not have invited you to my party. देखो मार्क वन थिंग मार्क जोटा देखो एटा देखो पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव सेंटेंस थिला तळे इफ होची देखो एटा पॉजिटिव हे गला. इफ दे हैड स्टार्टेड अर्ली एटा पॉजिटिव थिला जतले इफ बसिला एटा नेगेटिव हे गला. सेला देखो एटा नेगेटिव थिला एटा पॉजिटिव थिला जतले इफ बसिला एटा नेगेटिव हे गला. एटा पॉजिटिव थिला एटा नेगेटिव हे गला. अफर्मेटिव सेंटेंस इज टर्न टू नेगेटिव सेंटेंस एंड वाइस वर्सा. दिस इज ऑल अबाउट योर vocabulary and language work of the topic at the high school. This is for today students.